In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your app icon in Base44. Changing your app icon is a simple way to give your project a more professional and personalized look, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along confidently. You'll want to be logged into your Base44 account and have the correct app open before you start. First, let's navigate to the right place in your Base44 workspace. At the top of the editor, look for the option labeled Dashboard. This is usually part of the main navigation bar. Go ahead and click on Dashboard. This area gives you a high-level view of your app and is where you can access key settings, including the app icon configuration. Once you're in the dashboard view, you should see several tabs or sections. Look for the one called Overview. The wording may be part of a secondary navigation menu, often near the top of the page or along the side. Click on Overview. This section is designed to show central information about your app, and it's also where the app's current icon is displayed. After you've opened the overview page, find the existing app icon. It's typically shown near the app name or title, often in the top left area of the page. The icon may be a default placeholder image if you haven't customized it yet. Move your cursor over that icon and click on it. Clicking the icon will usually open a small window or panel that lets you update or replace the current image. Here you can upload a new icon file from your computer. For the best results, choose a clear square image with a high resolution so it looks sharp on different screens. Common file types like PNG or JPG are usually supported, but it's a good idea to keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly. After selecting your new icon file, confirm the upload and wait for it to process. You should see the icon update in the overview section almost immediately. If it doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page in your browser. That's all there is to it. By navigating to Dashboard, opening the overview, and clicking on the existing icon, you can quickly update the visual identity of your app in Base44.